Yeah, little old bird. The chickadee's pretty good around here. And this one, he comes to say hi to me all the time. He's just tiny and he just comes to hang out with us. If he looks thirsty, I spray some water and stuff, and he just hangs out. Little chirpy. Little old burn, little old dog. You're old. You're not so old. I'd be interested to know how old that little guy is, but I've seen him for a few years here. He just comes and hangs out. He's by himself. I think he's a little bit slower and he sticks around the yard a bit. Please leave those alone. Those are fresh fig cuttings. Chirpy's just chilling out here with. He just comes and hangs out with the old dog.